100% cotton. Imported. Includes 12 by 12-inch white washcloths. Made of highly absorbent, fast-drying looped terry cotton. Soft enough for face and body, sturdy enough for household cleaning. Machine washable and dryer safe. Reinforced edges stand up to frequent washing. The cotton washcloths offer the perfect combination of softness and strength, making them ideal for anything from skincare to household cleaning. Featuring a hotel-quality construction, the washcloths are lightweight, quick-drying, and feature reinforced edges to prevent unraveling. Made of 100% spun cotton, the washcloths feature a looped terry weave for enhanced absorption and moisture retention. Machine washable, the set stands up to daily use and frequent laundering. Includes 24 washcloths sized 12 by 12 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Best towels ever. These are so absorbent. Absolutely the best I have found in ages. They are also soft, which just makes it even better. I have washed them multiple times and they are like new, no fading, no abnormal shedding. The first wash had so much lint I was worried, but after that all normal.